name is Dan Shuwen. My number is 21.
My name is Kim Shoyan, number 28.
My name is Yap Kai Xiang. My number is 52.
My name is Patricia Tan. My number is 16.
The importance of health is known by people back then and the people nowadays. However, diseases are affecting our health. Thus, today we are going to discuss the cause, spread, and ways to overcome the disease.
Okay, so what is diseases? Diseases. We all say diseases. Is it sick? We don't know. So let's talk about it. Disease is an abnormal condition. How do we say abnormal? It's like feeling discomfort and uncomfortable. Like, take an example. Like you are having fever. You'll feel headache. And your head will feel very, very heavy. Or like flu. You'll feel like your nose is have a lot of mucus in your nose and your nose is running all day long. This is called discomfort. And this is how disease is defined. There are two types of diseases. One is infectious diseases and one is non-infectious diseases. Simply the same. The infectious diseases can be transmitted, while non-infectious diseases cannot be transmitted. So if I stand near or contact with an infected person, I will also get infected. This is what we call transmission. Now, the cause of infectious diseases are pathogens, mediums, and factors, while non-infectious diseases are caused by genetic, lifestyle, and factors.
The example for infectious disease is tuberculosis, flu, ringworm, tina, and dengue fever, while non-infectious diseases have cancer, hypertension, diabetes, asthma, and cardiovascular diseases.
We learned that diseases can be classified into infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases on slide before. So now we are going to learn about how do infectious diseases spread. Infectious diseases can spread to four ways. There are airborne diseases, waterborne diseases, contact and virus.
Airborne diseases can spread through air surrounding, and there are two ways to transmit it, which is droplet transmission and dust transmission. Droplet transmission is caused by pathogen that spreads from mouth or nose of an infected person when coughing or talking. Dust transmission is caused by the bacteria in the spit. It will spread together with dust in the air. Airborne diseases include SARS, H1N1, chickenpox, and flu.
So, what should we do to prevent airborne diseases? First, we have to cover our mouth when coughing and don't spit anywhere. Besides, we are avoid being in crowded and dirty place because it's good for bacteria for spreading. Moreover, we must ensure our living and room place get enough sunlight because sunlight can kill microorganisms and germs in the air. Waterborne diseases are infection through water. It can spread in the area with inadequate water, poor sanitation, and also flood areas. It also can spread through drinks chlorinated water. Example of waterborne diseases is cholera, typhoid, and amoebic dysentery.
We can prevent waterborne diseases by adding chlorine into swimming pool and water supply system because chlorine can kill microorganisms that in the waters. Besides, we must keep our bathroom clean and build toilet with good sanitation to reduce bacteria. Next, we have to wash our hands regularly, especially before and after meal, with running water and soap to make sure our hand is clean.
Besides, we have to drink boiled water because water that doesn't boil commonly contains impurities and bacteria which are harmful to us.
Next, I'm going to talk about the disease infected by contact. First, ringworm and tinea is caused by fungi. It occurs when we contact with a person's skin or clothes. Next, syphilis and gonorrhea. It is. Now I will introduce the ways to prevent disease caused by contact. First, avoid contact. Second, don't share personal items. Third, use condoms. Lastly, keep ourselves. We will now talk about the animals that transmit pathogens. First, we can see that cockroach and fly transmit the same pathogen, while mosquitoes transmit various pathogens. Every vector has different pathogens. We will now talk about the way vectors spread pathogens. First, a mosquito will transmit pathogen to our body by sucking our blood. Second, the pathogen will flow through our body. Lastly, the pathogen will be transmitted to another mosquito when another mosquito sucks our blood. Next, we will talk about the prevention of vectors. First, keep our living place clean. Second, avoid mosquitoes. Lastly, do body checkup regularly.
Now, what is a symptom of disease? We have listed 5 examples here, and among these examples, heart attack and lung problem are non-infectious disease, while Zika, cholera, and dengue are infectious disease. Heart attack and lung problems have a same symptom, which is shortness of breath.
There are many types of pathogens that may cause disease in Earth. Today, I will introduce 4 types of pathogens that may cause disease, which is virus, fungi, bacteria, and protozoa. Virus is a type of microorganism that might cause skin disease and also infect our nervous system. Virus, which is smaller than bacteria, aren't cells but segments of DNA. We all know that there are many types of bacteria in Earth. Some is good to humans while some is bad to us. Those pathogenic bacteria will produce toxins and thus make harm to us. Protozoa is a type of microorganism which have existed for a long time. It can find in soil, river, and food.
There are many consequences after we get disease. First, we have to pay a lot for treatment fees. Second, our body will become weak physically and mentally. Third, a public health risk may happen due to transmission of infect to others. Fourth, people who care for us will be worried about us. Fifth, have a high regional prevalence to be a significant risk for people. 6. Immunization will become weak.
Now, when we get disease, what should we do to relieve our sickness? First, listen to doctor's recommendation. Second, take medicine according to doctor's advice. Third, do treatment regularly. Fourth, ask questions if you don't understand what doctor says. Last, we have to cut out bad habits such as smoke and overeating. Intake of unhealthy foods such as pickled food, snacks, and fast food also should be reduced. We have learned before in science formally that all that virus, protozoa, fungi, and bacteria are microorganisms. They are very small that we can't see it. So we have to take prevention measures so that we won't get disease. There are many ways to prevent from getting
exercise at least 2 times a week. Second, don't share your personal items to others. Third, wash your hands before and after a meal. Fourth, wear a mask as an isolation. Fifth, have enough sleep. Sixth, keep a balanced diet.
The following 3 slides will introduce the causes of death in Malaysia on 2016. We can see that ischemic heart diseases causes the most percentage of death. We can also see that the percentage of death from the cause of transport accident is increasing. We found that ischemic heart diseases has the most percentage for male, while pneumonia has the most percentage for female. We found that ischemic heart diseases causes the most death, while transport accident causes the least.
A total of about 155,000 deaths were recorded in 2015, while in 2016, the number of deaths had increased 4.1%, which is about 162,000 deaths. However, the picture shown that the principal causes of death in MOH hospitals in 2016 have caused lower percentage of death than in 2015. It means Ministry of Health have taken necessary prevention measure. Thus, we can predict that the deaths caused by principal cause of death in 2015 and 2016 will reduce.
Health is important. We must keep ourselves healthy so that we won't be infected. When we are infected, we must cure it immediately.